Today, I am gonna go to the farm with my brother. Let's go. Guys, come, we're gonna feed some turkeys. I love turkeys so much. I love it. Okay, that seems like enough. I'm gonna return this. Go. Guys, look at these cute chicks and chickens. They're so adorable, guys.
Yeah. No, okay.
But we have to now explore more deeper because our parents might get mad. So yeah, let's just go. Boom! Guys, we're here. But
Guys, it seems like I've catched a look. She is right there.
yeah, I know,
told you.
guys. But you have to
Yeah,
keep
sure.
up. Come on. Okay, guys, I think we just found some beautiful goats. Let's go.
Right there, guys. Goats.
Beautiful goats, guys. But come on.
Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna get near, guys.
The king goat, the king of all goats.
What do you mean, a king of all goats?
That kind of like brown one is the king of all goats.
I'm gonna zoom in.
You're the king of all goats.
Oh, that's scary.
That's real scary. What if they killed me? So let's stop doing that meh thing. Come on.
I'm scared. Should we go back? Deeper? Explore deeper?
Yeah, let's explore deeper.
Like going to the nether in Minecraft? No! No.
Let's go back. I'll see you there.
No. Okay.
Okay, guys, these are some disgusting poop of some disgusting goats that we let you see in the video. So let's go back. But if they kind of kill us, so go.
Let's go. Time to go back to camp.
Okay, guys, we finally made it to camp. So let's get back to the real house.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Guys, meet my family members. This is our grandma. This is our little cousin. This is our aunt.
Hello.
Hi. Can you find Kawela? Can you find her? Definitely not. Definitely not. Nope. Nope. Just can't. You just can't. Not over here. Not over there. She is nowhere to be found. Okay, let's just stop this random content real quick. Play. Guys,
You like the mountain? It's so pretty. Let's go down. Come on.
for some reason, this looks flat.
Let's go down.
Why does this look flat?
Come on.
Nah.
Guys, we decided to go down the mountain, but just in case there are snakes, he is here. Let's go, guys. Guys, look at the banana tree. Wow, what is that? I have no idea. I have no idea. English, bisa kayo.
Whoa! Wow!
Down. Okay, this is actually heavy. This is actually heavy. Bananas. Should we get this?
Oops, wala pa na anak.
Ouch, ouch.
Cut pa na ko.
No, it's heavy. Guys, these bananas are very fresh. Very, very fresh. They are from the farm or tree. Also, guys, these bananas are ripened from the tree.
Yes. Is this?
They are so fresh. Guys, healthy and fresh. Also, you can eat them straight from the trees.
Wow!
It's actually delicious. Adventure even more! Guys, we're about to go up the mountain. That's right. No. Up the mountain I go. Oh, it's hard. It's hard. It's very hard. Guys, we've now made it up to the mountain, but I see goats. So let's go there. Wow, that had absolutely no emotion at all. Good. Why do they have horns? Why do they have horns? Over there. This is a goat. Okay. Hold on. And those are the child of that goat, the big goat. Here the goats go to the other pack of goats that we saw before. Hello. Over there that we saw before. Guys, we are here, still on top of the mountain. And, but here, we can see the peak of a volcano. At least I'm sure of that. I think you can see. Yeah. Guys, that over the clouds is a mountain. I mean, no, a volcano. That right there is a volcano. That is actually huge. I did not expect a volcano to be that big. Is that even a volcano? Is that a volcano? Yes, I'm pretty sure it is. But it looks like it's in the sky. It looks like it's floating in the sky. Guys, that is the end of the tour of the farm. But before you leave the video, be sure you hit that button and subscribe and turn on post notifications to let you know when our videos come out. Peace. Bye.